Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation. Since St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, I figured we could make this adorable door hanger. I combined two different images here to make this overall design, the hat and the shamrock. As always, I will put a link to this design in the description below. So since I didn't have any 12 by 12 colored cardstock at home, I kind of had to Frankenstein some paper to make this all work, but of course feel free to use some 12 by 12 paper. When everything was cut, I laid it all out. I ended up scrapping the lighter yellow because it didn't cut right and because I realized I could just use the gold paper instead. I also didn't have black paper, so I used gray and used a black marker to get the desired color. This is a quick and easy way to save some money, and you can do this with all kinds of colors obviously if you just use white paper. It does add some extra steps, but in the end, it can save you a trip, and it can end up saving you some money in the end. I then used my signature gold ribbon that goes perfectly with this theme. You just tie it through the cutout holes, and you're good to go. Now make sure you measure how long you need the ribbon to be in order to hang it at the proper height that you desire. In my case, I ended up having some extra ribbon at the end, so feel free to cut yours off, or if you want to do a cute little cut, go ahead. If you would like to make this yourself, again, the link to the design is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already for more arts and crafts projects. It has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.